Hi, hello there, Radhey. Welcome back to another new sessions. Today is a 30-day challenges for read English practice with Radhey Talks. You know about today is a so special day for me and you, and today is the final day challenges for the target. I target a 30-day challenges. I have covers. I think you are be properly covered. So very proud of you for me, and so I am so very appreciated. A lot of yours. Sharing your time, sharing your valuable schedules, and thanks to your lot of you, all of you, and also you are be connected with me. Okay, don't waste your time. Let's start today's sessions. I have the same book. The book name is Psychology of Money. Before start video, I going to say two lines motivations. The motivations you know about the entire of the 30 days. Today's the motivations. I just like to do one sentence. Consistency. What do you mean by consistency? You know about consistency, it means continue. What do you do always to day by day consistently with your schedule, with your appearance, with your the valuable polish. It's very helpful to yourself. You consistently work day by day. Every days, not for the today you do. Every day you consistently do your work, then your result is automatically ask. Automatically you are know about this your outcomes. Don't waste your chance. Let's start today's sessions. I have the same book. Okay, I read today. You know of the today over there, or today is a final day. I so very happy for the today. Okay. Now let me tell you about the Gates friends Kent Evans. He experienced on the equality. He experienced on the equal powers those who lock close sibling race. Bill Gates and friends Foles Alliance becomes a household name thanks to Microsoft success. But back at Lakeside, there was three members of the group gang of high school's computers of paradox. The Kent Evans and Bill Gates become best friends. Either's 8th grade. Evans was a Gates own accounts the best student in the class, and the two and talk to on the phones a ridiculous amount account the get recalls and documentaries inside the Bill brains. Okay, Bill brains. So that for two friends inside the bills, I still know about to the phones numbers is 525 and 7881. Okay, this like two. Evans was skills with computers as get aliens inside one's struggles to manually put and together in schools class schedules need to at the times do not be conflict with the other courses, and he schools takes bills and can't children's by the measures to wills the computer programs to solve the problems and to be worked, and unlike Paul's alliance can to say the bill business mind and be endless combinations or can't always Knant always had to the big brick facts like to be all lawyers, and brick face get recalls the with the hard work and the better way to performance. Okay, I think I have covered up the today's sessions. You know of the today's finance sessions. I am so very efforts to. I am doing my always level best. I try to, and I am also I will try to level best and in my futures. I know about what happened in my lives in the future since, but I know about the present day is a great day for me. I do my best. That's my commitment. I try to my level best. Okay, entire of 30 days and be whenever my mistakes you are be, I think you are be respect to you are be so better to try to understand my mistakes. I accept my mistakes. I recall to I remove my mistake. Thanks for watching and see you next times. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Jagannath.